Gonna say good morning. Gonna say good morning.
Mommy.
Say good morning.
Mommy.
Where's everybody?
Big Bob. Where's your mom? Where's your mom?
Who's that?
Hi,
Joe.
Zoe's not getting dressed by herself.
Well, Joel needs to get dressed.
Oh, I am going to pop all my t-shirt in here.
Okay.
Silly Joe.
Silly Joel.
Yes.
What are we gonna do today?
Well, I have one is on.
That's good to know. So it's Wednesday.
Hi, 12 days into my birthday.
12 days until his birthday. Okay, very important.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Yeah, soon.
Hey.
You're gonna have cake? You're gonna have cake? Yummy, yummy, go cake?
Dad, I'm gonna ask you. Where's cake?
Where's the cake?
Hiding.
Hiding?
Yes, hiding here.
We haven't got the cake yet.
Dad, I need.
You need to ask me something.
The cake. That. Which one's my candle? That one or that one?
I don't know.
This one?
Hey, Harry.
Hey, Howie, do you have school today? Yeah.
You do have school, yes. You have a short day. So yes, Harry has a short day. Hello. Joel has kinder and the rest of the kids have Wellbeing Wednesday, so they just do non... Yeah, you have a half Wellbeing Wednesday.
Yeah,
Half school, half... So yeah, so we will get stuck into our day.
X today.
Letter X, okay. We'll print that out. Show me? No. Letter X.
Letter X.
What are you doing, Nora?
We go under.
You go under.
Yeah, you just do this.
Okay, well, I better get up off the floor and we get started in our day.
You're sitting under there. Bye. See you later in a million weeks. Bye. Bye.
These two still have school stuff today. Joel's got kinder Zoom meetings and Harry's got
a tiny bit of work.
a little bit of work for his Wellbeing Wednesday. What are you waiting for, Bella?
To cook.
What are you going to cook? Cupcakes?
Yeah.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll have to get you to make them so we can have them for snack.
Yeah, which is later on after lunch. It is heading to the next game. So. Dad, I'm writing that. Yeah. He's done.
Yes, Bella.
Am I gonna stop making cupcakes?
I guess so. Do you want to get them down then?
Where are they?
I don't know. It's part of the mystery.
Working.
Good. The mystery of the...
Missing cupcakes. Like what? I just still love.
Can't really see them. They're right there, Bella. They're right in front of you. Top shelf. Green boxes.
Green boxes.
Right there.
The present one.
Yeah.
Both? Do I get both or
Sure.
this one?
You can get both.
In my tooth here. Wait, I thought they were like cupcakes.
Yeah.
No, they're like cookies.
Oh. Oh, they are. They're cookies. Sorry, they're cookies, not cupcakes. Oh well. You're making cookies, okay? I thought they were cupcakes too, but they're cookies.
I knew that.
Who's awake? Hello, Olivia. Hanging out with your big bro?
Yes. Well, she was hanging out with Cooper, but then she started crying.
Oh, such a hard life being a baby.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything. It's unbelievable.
Just gonna relax.
Yeah. Alright, what do we need, Belle?
It's just at the back.
Butter, milk, cookie tray.
And
That's it.
cookies. Cupcakes.
Alright, Bella, you need to get your ingredients now.
I'm gonna get the milk.
Cupcake? Why you've got a dummy? Why have you got a dummy? Are you a baby?
Dad, which milk do I use?
Are you a baby or big girl?
Dad, the fire.
The one on the right side, your milk, not Mum's milk.
Cookies. One.
Cookies?
It's one and two. Cupcakes.
Yes, Jolie Roly.
Milk.
Can you have a fruit? Oh, I guess so.
No.
Okay, what else do you need?
Butter and a cooking tray. Butter. What is butter? Butter.
In the block up the top. See the silver block?
Yeah. No, that's
Silver block.
silver block.
On the right. No, down one shelf. Across.
No, we need the other one.
That, yeah. You gotta read what it says on the back. You gotta read number one. What's number one say?
Preheat oven to 160 degrees or without heating to 180 degrees.
So you gotta preheat your oven. So you gotta turn your oven on?
How do I turn it on?
To 180 degrees. Yep, push it. Twist once.
Which way?
No, the other way. No, the other way.
It should be on.
Yep. That's it. Now over that one. You change this one to be 180.
180. And have that one if you want. No, and pink one.
Good.
No.
Okay, next step.
Oh, this needs to be open because it's something inside.
Okay, then open it.
But I can't take it. I can do it.
Go, Harry.
Go.
Go, Harry. Go, Harry. Hey. Okay, Joel. Hey.
I just slapped it. Now, I'm having trouble.
Having trouble opening it, Bella?
Yeah. Oh, go on, do it.
What do you need?
Bowl? Wait, which bowl do I
Just get that clear bowl there. Not that one. Yeah. Yeah, you can have it. You can't open it. Oh, well then put it back.
Oh, I might need to move this.
Okay.
You need grapes for chocolate.
I might.
See if Zoe will have it then.
I'll have it.
Bella will have it.
Me having this. You don't have to go
Stopping for a yoga break.
back.
Yeah, just past the 50. Whoa. Let's hold that for you. That'll do. That's about 60 mils. Tip that in, yep. Okay, put the lid back on the milk. Thank you.
Now,
Tyler will put that in the fridge for me.
I make us mixed it one.
Yeah, you gotta mix it all together.
Yep.
Oh, I've got a coffee there. Making your little cookie balls.
And then they're gonna
That looks a bit small, maybe a little bit bigger. Oh no, you make it, Bella. You give it a go. It'll be fine. Whatever you do, it'll be fine.
Oh, okay.
Just got to spread them out. You can't put them too close because they're gonna spread out into cookies.
Oh yeah, and they're gonna be like these ones.
Yeah, so we just got to spread them out. There we go, like that.
Yeah, because they're gonna spread.
Probably need a little bit bigger ones than that one.
Can I make scones?
All right, so you got to open the oven.
Actually,
No, because the trays are cold. Okay, now grab the tray.
I almost made this.
That's it. Oh, hang on, you didn't quite get it in there. One, okay, and then the tray goes on the bottom.
The very bottom?
Yeah.
There.
That's it. Now close the oven. Now how long do they have to cook for, Bella? Need to check the time. Your instructions.
Template for 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay, so what time is it?
I don't know.
Look at the clock.
It's 11:18.
So now you got to add 10 to 15 minutes to that. So what's 10 minutes later?
12 o'clock?
No? So if it's 11:18,
Plus 10.
so what's 18 plus 10?
Calculating.
28, so it's 11:28.
11:28.
So about 11:30 we'll say.
Let me see that. So,
About 11:30, so you got to watch the time.
11. Oh, wait. Am I going to start making the icing right away?
I will do the icing, because you do the icing once they've got to cool down.
So mine is cool. The ones I want to make is cool down.
So now we've got to clean up our mess. So the butter has to go in the fridge.
At 11:28, I calculate.
Have you checked on them? Check through the glass and see what's happening.
The spreading.
Are they spreading?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, two are melting to each other.
Oh, maybe they weren't mixed up quite. Maybe they were really buttery. Uh-oh.
They might have had the butter.
Oh dear. Oh well. You tried.
And anyway, it's my first time making it like mostly by myself. Because Caitlin only helped me. I only did a tiny bit once me and Caitlin did the cake challenge.
Alright, well we'll see how we go.
I only did mixing.
I think most of them are looking okay.
The bottom one you can't always see.
Oh well, we'll find out in 8 minutes.
Because it's 11:23.
Do you think they're ready, Bella?
Yeah.
Have you checked them? Do they look ready?
Yeah, they actually do because they're all like cooked.
Cookies? Alright, so we'll open that up.
Ooh, sick.
Oh,
That might be bad.
the other tray. Yep, and then turn the oven off. Don't touch the things. So you'll turn that over. No, yep, that way.
Once.
Yep, and then push it in and push the other one in. Good. Alright, so they're very hot. Now we just let them cool and then we'll ice them up.
Yeah. After we make the ice and put the sprinkle on.
Yeah.
It even shows on the picture how they're meant to be looking like.
Okay, is that what you're going to try and make them look like?
Yeah.
Do they sort of look like that without the icing? Are they pretty close?
They're pretty close.
Pretty close?
Just some of them.
Hello. Yummy cookies?
We're gonna have them for snacks.
You're in a Zoom meeting. Now pay attention to your kinder meeting for me, please.
Olivia.
Olivia's fine.
Dad, this one pretty much looks like it, just a bit too small. Like this. Like this.
Do you want to pop the cookies in the box and we'll ice them a little bit later?
Where are the colors?
I feel like they've cooled down. There you go.
I know which one I'm gonna ignore.
Which one?
I think that's since it's too small, I'm gonna get
There's 24 cookies, so there's 2 each.
So
everyone can have a big one and a little one, maybe.
Yeah. No, not now. Once it's 3 o'clock. Or maybe once
Yeah, we'll ice them and stuff this afternoon. Lunch? What's for lunch? Well, that's not eating your lunch, but you're going to make the people on the camera dizzy.
No.
It's like a woo! Yeah, it was spinning around. What have you got for lunch, Harry? Crackers and cheese. Can I have one?
And sometimes I ate myself.
Can we see them? Are they in your belly?
Yeah.
Should we have a look in your belly?
Dad, you can have one.
Ah, thanks, Bella. I'll get my own. But thanks.
You can eat all my food.
You want me to cut that?
Yes. You can let me spread the
we'll cut Funny children. You want to play outside?
Open.
It's open, but you're in your pajamas.
Oh.
Yeah, Elsa. Well, how are you going to play outside if you're in your pajamas? Socks, shoes, and jumper. Just put socks, shoes, and jumper on.
Yeah.
But what about your pajamas?
Wait, where's my dummy?
You don't need a dummy. You're a big girl.
I'm a big girl.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to get you dressed.
Yes. Come.
Come. Okay, coming.
Dad.
Where?
And this one.
What about your clothes?
I like clothes.
Go check your tub.
Okay.
Do you know which one's your tub? No, that's Zoe's tub. That one's your tub. Yeah, that's your tub.
Hey, this is my jumper.
That is your jumper.
Hey, go away. Hey, this is my jumper.
Okay, let's not pull all your clothes out. Hang on. Here's a shirt. Let's put your jammies back in your tub.
Yes.
And here's some pants. Look, there's some pants. Let's put your jammies back in the tub.
Yes.
Magic, you've got pants, jumper, and a shirt.
Yes.
There you go. You're welcome.
And for what?
What are we doing, Harry?
Building my racetrack.
Your racetrack? Ah! I think it's a garage, isn't it? Stunt garage.
I am in the first. I see a bird truck.
It's
Okay.
a big city.
Alright, well,
You can't-
pass it here and I'll pop her open. Let's have a look. Is there a taped edge that we need to open? Nope, this is a spunky push one.
They hate the push one. I can hold it.
No, push ones are easy. You just pop it open like that. There you go. You should be able to pull it open now. Pull. Ah. Instructions.
Now what's this?
You should always follow the instructions.
Yeah. Instructions. Cool. Let's put this together.
It's just the burger.
Your burger.
The white one we have.
You gotta ching the ones you have.
Hurry!
Tick, you mean?
How is it? I found the one.
Tyler, do you know how to open the curtain? The curtain?
Yeah, right.
Can you please open it for me? Thanks, buddy. Let there be light. Whoops, too far. There you go. Beautiful.
Yes, can I go ching it?
You want to ching it? Well, then we have to finish building it. We've done level 2, level 3. Have you got level 4, I think's next? Level 4? Excellent.
This is the last level.
There we go. It's all done. So, it drives into the lift. So, it drives in the lift. And then you go up to level 4.
How is this going?
And then push it out of the lift. And drive down and then let it go. Whoa! Whoops. He flipped over. And then these, you can connect all your other trucks that you guys have to it. Like your hamburger and your other...
I can go there.
And then they can park, look, and they can park in the garage. You blocked! You're supposed to open the gate.
Small tracks, it will just spin it. So just keep going.
But he can go to a different level and park.
What?
Don't you need extra track?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need the extra track.
You don't have track things.
Yeah, we do.
We did, but I can't find it.
We'll have to find... That car can go. Yeah, Zoe, that car can go. Do you show us how that car goes?
We'll do it. To the last level. Push it. Hey, Daddy.
Wow. I'm just turning the angle to the other. Go all the way up. Go all the way up and see what happens now. I've just changed the angle of the ramp. See if it'll go backwards down the other way. I did!
What happens if you just put it straight without landing?
No, it goes the 2 ways. So it goes that way or that way.
I want it. My track. Now it's my turn. We'll go to that one. No, not that one. This one.
Level 3.
Yes.
Are you gonna park? These are all parking spots, Zoe. Yeah, they're parking
You have
spots.
to go to level 4.
You can't go up. How did it just jump? How did it just jump up?
Because I got a ramp up there.
He did. Now let's go down.
Hey, Nora, what are you doing? Were you outside?
Well, we're waiting.
Who wants to go there to play? Okay, so here's my first rule. I need to wait.
I don't think the fire truck fits.
I hated it. I flipped it.
I think the fire truck's a bit big.
It is. I just flipped it.
I think. Yeah, Nora, have this car.
Okay.
That'll be a bit better, I think. Give me the fire tractor.
We'll have another car. I'll give that.
No, maybe not. Maybe not that car. What about this car?
Yeah, that car. We'll have another one. Go, Zoe. Go. Do the same time.
Yeah, the Hot Wheels.
Maybe you can go to my home.
Oh, this one will be good. That one will be good, the green one.
It's a traffic thing.
Maybe the cars that aren't driving need to park.
Okay, everybody park. Yeah! So you have to park.
Then use a lighter bat.
Let me fold it and then I just...
You're a good fielder there. Why are the bats on the roof?
Because Joel and Lachlan were fighting with them, so I put them on the roof.
That was a bit of a vicious throw. The power shot. Here we go. The power shot. Good power shot. Oh, you got bracelets. Beautiful. Another power shot. Here we go. Wow. Nelly. A regular. Ah, isn't that caught behind?
We're just doing rounds.
Yeah, you just get 2 overs.
These guys are in for like 1 hit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're in for 1 hit and then me and Caitlin are in for like 6 hours. Oh no!
Well, that's 6 and out, isn't it? It's over the fence. Ah, caught.
It's not between 2 twigs, so it's a court, you're out.
Very good training.
What?
I'm not doing anything.
Oh, you're not doing anything. Okay, cool. You're not doing anything. He's not doing anything.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm cooking dinner.
You don't even know what's for dinner.
Chicken stir fry.
How do you? Not necessarily.
Eating parmesan.
Not necessarily.
Fried chicken.
Fried Stephen. We're gonna have fried Stephen.
Fried rice. It's either stir fry, chicken pasta or fried rice, which all I can do.
Can you now?
Yes. Put that one.
Or it's parmesan.
So Joel, what are you up to? Nothing.
Then it's moving. That's all he's doing.
Doing something.
What have you been doing, Joel? Nothing. You look very suspicious there with your hands behind your back.
He must be
Move your hands forward. Okay.
Cut this?
Okay,
What do you want the shape?
Oh, okay. All right then.
I can help.
I do nothing else, rightio.
No, that way.
We're going to make this cut, and next we're going to roll it like that. And then
How are you going to cut it?
with scissors.
Is it hard?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
I need that. Yeah,
Bless you.
yeah. Maybe glue.
You need glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that a tongue? A funny face. Wow. A daddy face?
Yeah, daddy pig.
What colour's that, Zoe?
That's the
That's not green. What colour's that?
eye.
Do you know what colour it is?
What is that?
Orange.
Orange. Orange. White.
This could be the window, like.
Is that a funny face? Wow. Wow, that looks very beautiful. You gotta write Nora on the back so we know Nora did it.
Come sit over here. Zoe's sitting here. Oh, do you want to write Nora? Yeah. Bella's icing.
The icing's a bit on the... doesn't just spoon on, so we're just sort of pushing it on, aren't we, Bella?
Yeah.
Interesting texture. Where's that all icing? It looks a bit like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
And I need to.
Yeah, you're gonna go sprinkle this.
And the icing's Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Right, so these ones are all done.
No, it's
That
not.
one's done. That one's done. Okay, I'll bring some more forward. There you go. Another one.
You see it?
Edible Play-Doh.
It's Pito. It's Pito.
It's not actually Play-Doh.
It's not Play-Doh.
I think we might need
Be patient.
Well, there's not more.
Pito.
We might have to rob a bit of these other ones that are really iced.
That's me.
Like
Well, the
this one.
smaller ones need small icing.
This one has a real thick layer of icing on it. You did well with some of them. You really iced them up.
One has a tiny bit.
That's okay. Just the finishing touches. Got some sprinkles going on there. Looks good. Alright, Bella, you gonna dish them up? Dish one up each?
Thank you.
It's fine, Joel.
There's heaps there, Joel. There's 24.
So we have two?
No.
Oh. No, we have one today, one tomorrow. Now?
Cookies. Half now.
That's good.
What kind of cookies are they?
Or is there two?
Just
Plain one?
Dad, we get two or one.
One.
So, better one.
Bella's just dishing them out randomly. There's no...
no favourites.
There's Bella. There's Bella.
Don't go.
There's Bella.
How do they taste, guys?
Okay, good.
Taste good?
Dad.
Chef.
No, technically the chef doesn't serve them. The waiter does.
Who's the waiter? Me now.
And he wants to get away.
And Dad, we're going to make these.
Is it yummy? What have you got there, Ty? Batman set? Is that from your birthday or?
Christmas.
From Christmas? Still hadn't opened it. Cool. What does it do? I think Batman goes in here and turns it, see? And put Batman in here, what does he do? Wow! There's like a giant Batman in there. Oh, okay, out it comes. Ah, it's like a robot. That's pretty cool. That matches your other Imaginext ones you've got. Because you got Batman versus Superman up here. And what's this one?
That's a part of that.
Oh, it's part of that. Okay.
Together.
Cool. Looks cool. Stephen's got dinner on for Wellbeing Wednesday. Stephen's cooking dinner.
Let's see.
Well, it needs water first.
Yes, but and don't have the.
And you don't want to leave them up there.
Is it just over?
Yeah.
No.
Ah, don't touch. Yeah, it's yummy chicken.
No, we chicken.
Yeah.
Eat that.
You're going to eat it?
Yes. This.
Yeah, that one, just the normal one, not the double, obviously.
No.
Yep. And you always push the handle away from the...
Is that?
Yeah, that's it. Good. He's going to hit you.
Yes.
Coming together for Stephen. Scrambled eggs. And the veggies are there. And the chickens are cooking. Yep, we did the rice earlier. Good job, Stephen. Here we go. Mum's just dishing it up to help Stephen out.
What are you having for dinner?
Who made dinner?
You.
No, Stephen.
No, I do. Dad, do me.
No, it's actually a bit of a team effort, but
Dad, do me to say that dinner. dinner.
Can they come in, Mum, for dinner?
Yeah.
How does it taste, Nora? Does it taste delicious?
Smells okay.
Smells okay? Just okay?
Smells behind. It smells like Dim Sims. Yes.
Yeah.
It's the soy sauce.
That's what it smells.
Hey, little miss. Them time my wakey time.
It's not real.